Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to share with you all how to cook mutton curry. It tastes delicious. So without any delay, let's get into the video.
Let's see the ingredients. We need 2 spoons ginger garlic paste, 1 cinnamon, 2 cardamoms, 3 cloves, 2 tomatoes, half a lime, 3 green chilies, 1 big onion, half kg mutton, oil, few coriander leaves and mint leaves, some turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin seeds, dhania powder, salt and garam masala powder. Now let's start the process. We need to clean the mutton really well. Then add half a lime and salt, mix it properly and leave it aside for 2 minutes. Then wash it off really well. Coming to marination, let's add ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon green chili powder and a pinch of turmeric. Then mix it really well. Now cut all the vegetables like onions, green chili and tomatoes. Now take a pressure cooker on the stove, put sufficient oil in it. Once it's heated, add few cumin seeds, 2 cloves, 3 cardamoms, 1 cinnamon. Mix it and wait for 20 seconds. Now add green chilies and mix it well and wait for 1 minute. Then add the onions along with salt as it helps to cook onions really fast. Then keep the lid and wait until onions turn brown in color. Once onions are cooked, add marinated mutton and stir it really well. And keep the lid again and wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the mutton looks like this. Now add tomatoes and mix it really well and keep the lid again and wait until tomatoes become soft. As you can see, tomatoes became really soft. Now add some coriander and mint leaves along with 1 glass of water. How much ever is sufficient to pressure cook the mutton, and then mix it well and pressure cook until 4 to 5 whistles. After 4 whistles, off the stove and see whether the mutton is cooked well or not. After that, add half a spoon of dhania powder and half a spoon of garam masala. Mix it really well and let it cook for 5 minutes. At the end, taste it and adjust accordingly. There you go, yummy mutton curry is ready. Well, mutton curry and bagara rice combination is really nice, guys. So basically bagara rice is very famous in Telangana. I'm going to show you all how to make bagara rice in my next video. It's going to be really quick and easy, guys, so stay tuned. By the way, let me know in the comment section below how it tastes.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram.